Are you interested in making animated explainer videos like this? Try the easiest drag and drop animation creator by Filmora Animation. Animated explainer videos are a great way to teach, inspire, and engage your audience. Discover an easy way to convert text into natural sounding audio speech. If you have missed my other videos on Filmora, then go to my channel and watch videos on Filmora and many other tools. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start with Filmora Animation.
Alright, so I have the Filmora Animation software installed and running on my computer. So this is the layout of the Wondershare Filmora Animation software. If you are using Filmora X or Filmora 9 software, then this one is a completely different installation. It has nothing to do with the Filmora X and Filmora 9. There are some differences in the Filmora X and Filmora Animation software. So here you will see the screen of the Filmora Animation software. So I'll show you the Filmora X layout. This is the layout of the Filmora X software. You will see some different tabs on Filmora X and Filmora Animation. On Filmora Animation, you will see the first tab is animation. This one is media. The second, third is audio and title or text, and then transition and split screen. So you will see that there is no option of effects and elements as well as titles in Filmora Animation. So this is the difference between Filmora Animation and Filmora X or Filmora 9. Now you will also see some different the extra tabs under Filmora Animation. These are the tabs: scenes, characters, props. So these are the props you can use, these are the characters that you can use, and these are the scenes that you can use to create the animated explainer videos. So what they have given you, they have given you some screens, some characters, and some props that you can use to create the animated videos. So let's try with some of the scenes. Let's try this one. I'll get this scene here. All right, and now I'll get one character from here. Let's try this one. Okay, I'll put it here. So now I'll resize the character so that it will look like he is explaining something. All right, now I'll get the text. Let me get the text. Titles. Let's try this one. Now let me resize it. And let me type some text in this field. Okay, I'll put the text in this field and let it resize. Okay, so I have now the background, the text, and the character which will animate. So let's see how it works. Let's run it. Okay, so we do not have the audio right now. Now here you will see another option, text to speech. So what you can do, you can click on it and it will open the box to enter the text that you want to use. Now here are some sample characters they have given. I'll select this one and click on generate. Okay, so what it is going to do, it is going to convert the text into speech using some character voices. Okay, when I click on generate, it will generate the audio and it will put the audio here, the same text audio here. But I tried it many times and it has never worked for me. I have never received any audio file using this text to speech function. So I guess this is might be because it is in beta mode and it's not working. So what I have already created one voiceover. I'll use that voiceover here. So let me grab the voiceover. Okay, so I have the voiceover here. So I'll put the voiceover. Okay, and let me cut it here. So okay, now I'll run it.
Are you interested in making animated explainer videos like this?
Okay, let me run it again.
Are you interested in making animated explainer videos like this?
Okay, so this is how you can create the explainer video. This is very a small sample, so you can use any scene, you can use any character or any prop. So let's try one more. Okay, let me delete this one. What I'll do, I'll first get a screen, the background image. Let's try this one. Okay, let me put it here. Now this one is a restaurant background. Let me get some prop. Let's try prop. Let's get chair. This one is big. Let me resize the chair also, make it small. Okay, now let me get the table also. Okay, let me resize it. Okay, now I'll get the character. This one is sitting, so let's take this one so that she will look like sitting on the chair. Let's put it here. Okay, now let me get the laptop also. It will be under prop. Search for laptop. Okay, put it here. Resize it to fit. Okay, so laptop is there also. Now run the program. Okay, now you see that it looks like she is typing something on the laptop. So this is how you can use the scenes, the props, the animated characters, and you can make the explainer video. So that's it for this video. This one is very simple, and it's just similar to Filmora X and Filmora 9 version. You just need to use the animated characters, and there are some limitations about the effects and elements that you cannot use in this software, and those are available on Filmora X and Filmora 9 version. So I guess this one is a simple software and not much. So thanks for watching.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.